Alright, YouTube, I want to make a handcuff comparison video. These are Viper Tech handcuffs. Very good brand. And then compared to these, which are official brand, they're not the best cuffs. They're very crappy and old. Whereas these cuffs are brand new. I just got them. They're Viper Tech. And they're much nicer than the other cuffs compared to the other cuffs. And the cool thing about them is they have a louder click. So they should last a while. Whereas these cuffs have a quieter click, so they're not going to last very long. But I just wanted to compare my handcuffs. I don't know what type of brand that everybody else has, but those are the brands of handcuffs that I have. If you have any other handcuffs that you want to suggest for me to purchase, put them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe this video. And don't forget to share this video and like this video too. And I'll catch you guys later.